Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Seniors Health Tips. If you're over 60, I want you to lean in for this one because today we're talking about a food almost all of us love: eggs. Now, eggs can be one of the healthiest, most affordable, and protein rich foods for seniors. But here's the problem: many older adults eat eggs in ways that actually damage their health instead of helping it. So, in this video, I'm going to share 7 common mistakes seniors make with eggs, why they can be risky, and most importantly, how to fix them so you can keep enjoying your breakfast without harming your heart, brain, or muscles. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also give you a doctor-approved list of the healthiest ways to eat eggs after 60. Mistake number 1, frying eggs in too much oil or butter. I know it's delicious to fry eggs in lots of butter or oil, but here's the truth. Heavy frying adds saturated fat and extra calories that can quietly damage your heart and raise cholesterol. For seniors who may already have heart issues, this habit is dangerous. Better choice: boil, poach, or lightly scramble your eggs using olive oil spray or just a small pat of butter. You'll still get that tasty texture without drowning your arteries in fat. Mistake number 2, eating eggs with processed meats. Eggs and bacon, eggs and sausage, eggs and ham. Classic American breakfast, right? The problem is that processed meats are high in sodium, nitrates, and unhealthy fats. Studies show that eating bacon or sausage daily can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain cancers. Better choice: pair your eggs with vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or tomatoes. Or, if you want extra protein, try a slice of turkey or even a handful of beans. Mistake number 3, skipping the egg yolk. Many people think egg yolks are bad because of cholesterol. But here's the truth: the yolk contains vitamin D, choline for brain health, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that protect your eyes. Seniors who avoid yolks often miss out on these important nutrients. Better choice: eat the whole egg, just in moderation. 2 eggs a day is perfectly safe for most healthy seniors, unless your doctor has restricted you. Mistake number 4, eating eggs at night. Some seniors eat heavy egg dishes like omelets or fried eggs right before bed. But eggs are rich in protein, which can be harder to digest at night and may disturb sleep. Better choice: have eggs in the morning or early afternoon. This gives your body protein for energy and muscle maintenance when you need it most. Mistake number 5, ignoring food safety. This one is critical. Seniors often have weaker immune systems, which means the risk of food poisoning from undercooked or raw eggs is much higher. Salmonella can be very dangerous in older adults. Better choice: always cook eggs until both the yolk and white are firm. And avoid raw eggs in homemade mayo or dressings, unless they're pasteurized. Mistake number 6, eating eggs with white bread or sugary foods. I see this often: eggs paired with white toast, pancakes, or sugary orange juice. This spikes blood sugar and drains energy. Better choice: eat eggs with whole grain toast, avocado, or leafy greens. That way, you get fiber, healthy fats, and protein together, which keeps blood sugar steady and energy high. Mistake number 7, thinking eggs are enough protein for the day. Eggs are great, but 1 or 2 eggs only give you about 6 to 12 grams of protein. Seniors over 60 need about 60 to 70 grams of protein daily to prevent muscle loss. Better choice: use eggs as part of your protein intake, not the whole source. Add fish, beans, nuts, or lean poultry to balance your diet. The right way to eat eggs after 60. So, what's the healthiest way to enjoy eggs if you're over 60? Cook them boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled. Pair them with vegetables or whole grains. Include the yolk for extra nutrients. Keep portions moderate. 1 to 2 eggs daily is safe for most seniors. Remember, eggs are a tool, not a complete meal. Combine them with other nutrient-rich foods to stay strong and independent. Warm doctor's note: my friends, aging does not mean giving up the foods you love. It simply means learning how to prepare them in smarter, healthier ways. Eggs can still be part of your life. Just avoid these 7 mistakes, and you'll protect your heart, brain, and muscles for years to come. Thank you for watching Seniors Health Tips. If this video was helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with a friend who also loves eggs. And don't forget to subscribe for more doctor-backed advice on staying strong, healthy, and full of energy after 60. Because remember, aging should be about living better, not weaker.